The Costco stock market price has been rising following the release of the company's financial results covering the third quarter of its 2022 fiscal year, as inflation in the United States appears to be benefiting the wholesaler's top-line performance. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. During the 3 months ended May 8, revenues surged 16.3% compared to the same period a year ago, while membership fees experienced a 9.2% year-on-year increase. Costco's positive top-line performance in the US and Canada spearheaded this increase. Comparable sales in those regions experienced a 10.7% and 12.8% year-on-year jump, respectively, excluding the impact of higher fuel prices and foreign exchange rates. According to the management team, sales growth was not primarily driven by higher fuel prices as other categories, including confectionery, tires, toys, jewelry, and apparel, also performed positively during the quarter. Market participants reacted favorably to the report, as indicated by the 6% jump Costco stock experienced following the release of its quarterly results. What could be expected for what remains of the year and beyond? In this article, we analyze the latest Costco stock news along with the price action and fundamentals to outline plausible scenarios for the future. The Costco stock value has experienced a 17% decline so far this year, as of May 31st. This decline has been partially cushioned by Costco's recent 5-day winning streak, but the stock is tagging a relevant area of resistance that may threaten to pause this recent rally. Moreover, the stock is trading 7.7% below its 200-day simple moving average of 509.96 and 23.1% below its 52-week high. Trading volumes in the past couple of days are nearly double the 10-day average, and momentum indicators are showing signs of a recovery. In this regard, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is on an uptrend at 43, while the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, has just crossed above the signal line. It is still too early to tell if this rally leads to a sustained recovery in the price of Costco stock in the following weeks or months. For now, the most relevant event that may favor a positive view would be the filling of the open gap shown in the chart. According to the technical analysis, this might occur if Costco rises above the $480 level, resulting in a 2% upside potential in the short term. Costco Fundamental Analysis, Latest Earnings. Costco reported its financial results covering the third quarter of the 2022 fiscal year on May 26. During the 3 months ended May 8, Costco reported net sales of $51.61 billion, resulting in a 16% year-on-year jump. Membership fees ended at $984 million, compared to $901 million for the same period a year ago. Strong comparable sales growth in the US, 16.6%, and Canada, 15.2%, lifted the company's top-line results. Worldwide store traffic increased 6.8% from a year ago. However, gross margins experienced a 100 basis points year-on-year decline at 11.9%, and this translated into a 27 basis point decline in the operating margin. Costco brought in $1.35 billion in net profits, resulting in an 11% year-on-year jump, while earnings per share ended the quarter at $3.04 compared to the $2.75 reported in Q3 2021. The company's long-term debt stood at $6.51 billion, while cash, equivalents, and short-term investments amounted to $11.83 billion. Costco stock forecast, targets for 2022 to 2025. Several algorithm-based forecasting services gave longer-term Costco stock predictions for 2022 and beyond, as of May 31st. Wallet Investor had a bearish short-term outlook for the Costco future stock price, based on an analysis of its technical indicators. It expected the stock to plunge to $413.430 on June 10. However, it predicted that the stock could rebound and end the year at $537.166. As for its baseline Costco stock forecast 2025, Wallet Investor predicted that the price could rise further to $820.937. Although it didn't provide price targets for 2030, its 5-year price prediction expected cost to hit $940.943 in May 2027. Meanwhile, GovCapital also expected that the price of Costco stock could end the year with gains. Its forecast saw cost rising to $604.693 by the end of 2022. Moving forward, the service estimated the stock could reach $937.441 by the end of 2023, surpass $1,000 and hit $1,354.770 by the end of 2024 and close 2025 at $1,846.773. GovCapital anticipated cost to rise as high as $2,601.855 5 years from now. None of the opinions or forecasts shared in this article should be considered a recommendation to buy or sell Costco stock. Algorithm-based predictions use Costco historical stock price to estimate its future value. Actual results can deviate significantly from these forecasts. Past results are not indicative of future performance. Investors are encouraged to perform their own research before making any trading decision. Is Costco a good stock to buy? According to the views of Wall Street analysts compiled by MarketBeat, as of May 31, Costco stock could be a buy. Forecasting tools Wallet Investor and GovCapital also gave bullish predictions for Costco. Analysts' forecasts and algorithm-based price targets can be wrong. They are based on the cost stock historical price performance. Always conduct your own analysis before making any trading decision. And never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Will Costco stock price go up or down? We do not know. But, according to estimates from the two third-party forecasting services, as of 31 May, the price of Costco stock could rise in the next 2 to 5 years. Where will Costco stock be in 5 years? We do not know. But, according to estimates from GovCapital, as of May 31, the price of Costco stock could exceed $2,000 5 years from now. Why has the Costco stock price been going up? The price of Costco stock has been rising following the release of the firm's financial results covering the third quarter of the 2022 fiscal year as top-line performance exceeded the market's expectations. When will Costco stock split? Costco has not announced any stock splits lately. Does Costco stock pay dividends? Yes. The board of directors of Costco recently approved an increase of its quarterly dividend to 90 cents a share. This took the company's annualized dividend to $3.60. That's it for today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.